This is part 5 of our common words, names, and phrases in the Kikuyu language. Today you're going to look at a few names in the Kikuyu language, names of people, which is Maretwa Maadu. So Maretwa is names, Maretwa is names, Ma of Kikuyu, Kinyi or Karinga is classic or originally. So classic Kikuyu names. It should be noted that there are so many Kikuyu names. There are actually hundreds of Kikuyu names. So these are just a few of them. They are mixed up. There are male and female names here. And a name like Kamau is male. Mwagi is male. Wajiko is female. And most of the female Kikuyu names start with Wa. Most, but not all of them. And again, there are some male Kikuyu names which start with Wa, but these are rare. Wa usually will be, most of the time, the name of a lady. So Bogwa is male. Wajiro is female. Wageshi is female. Wairimo is female. Yangwi is male. And there are so many other names. Names like Mogo, Kongo, Waithiageni, Nyabura, Kahehu, Mahehu. Names like Dongo, Wagai, Muigai, Wajohi, Geshohi. All those are Kikuyu names. Alright, let's look at nationalities. Maretwa Maadu are Kemafurori. Maretwa is names. Ma are of. Ado, people, are of Kemafurori, or of nations, that is nationalities. Mo Kenya is a Kenyan. Kikuyu, the Kikuyu language, Mo before the name of a nation means a citizen of that nation. So Mo Kenya means citizen of Kenya. That is a Kenyan. Mo Faraja is a citizen of France. Mo Canada is a Canadian. Mo Sweden is a citizen of Sweden. Mo Geretha. Geretha is Britain in Kikuyu. Geretha. Okay, Geretha is Britain. So Mo Geretha is British. Mo Germany is Germany. So Germany is Germany. Mo Germany is German. Mo Mexico is again a Mexican. So try and come up with a few more names of nationalities. And thank you so much. I'll see you in the next part, which will be part 6.